Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share with you UGC NET exam CS PYQ. This question has asked in December 2010. This is the question number 30. The value of the following expression 13 by 4 into 3 mod 5 plus 1 is what? So first we will write 13 by 4 into 3 inside of the bracket mod 5 plus 1. So first we will divide it and then multiply it. 13 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12 and 1 remainder. Whenever divide has given, so we will take only the quotient part. So take right 3. 3 into 3 mod 5 plus 1. 3 into 3 9. 9 mod 5 plus 1. So first mod and plus. So first we will do mod. 9 mod 5, that means we need remainder. 5 से divide कीजिए 9 को. 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 4. Remainder is 4. So we will take here 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So the correct answer is option number C. Thank you very much for watching this video.